Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So I'm going to show you guys how I designed this new online banking. So you can see how it looks like. That's a nice feature. It has a nice UI UX. So that's a lot of stuff. You can click here to apply for cards and the rest. So you can see it looks like I don't have any card here. So basically, I can also apply for card if I want to. So local transfer, deposit, and the rest. IRC funds, fund, loan history. Anyway, so basically everything you see can is functional. So you can see how it looks like. So I'm going to show you guys how to do this in a couple of minutes. So first thing first, stay tuned and remember, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more videos, and also don't forget to click the notification bell. So let's get started. So you can see how it looks like, yeah. So what we're going to do first, you need to get your hosting and domain. So I'm going to just log into my control panel. So sorry, I haven't shown you the dashboard. So these are the dashboard looks like, right? So you can see how the dashboard looks like, right? So that's by the way, when you install your script, you know more about it. So let's get started. So first thing first, I'm going to, you can see the domain, right? So I'm going to go to my C panel. So basically this is my cPanel, right? So yours may be different, looking at different environment, but you can, if you don't know how to get cPanel, you can just check out the platform to know how to get cPanel, or check on YouTube how to get cPanel. So this is my cPanel, so I'll click on File Manager. If you click on File Manager, you're going to display like this. So there's something called publication HTML. Once you see this thing, you click on it and you upload your file here. I'll upload your file here, right? But I'm going to upload my file here because I'm kind of doing a short tutorial, right? So I'm going to go back here. I'll click on this subdomain, then I'll upload my file here. So I'll click on this to upload, select, and I'm going to click on the file. So this is the file. I'll click on the file. Don't forget, just worry about the file. Just watch and learn how I'll set it up. If you need the file, feel free to do me on WhatsApp. You see my WhatsApp on the screen. It's not free to be precise though. Yeah, not free to be precise. So wait for this to load completely. But by the way, there's no point waiting because I already have this on my laptop already. So I'm just going to go back. Let me see if it's on my trash. It is not there, so I'm just going to wait to upload. So let's wait for this to upload completely. So basically, you can see the script has been uploaded and extracted. So in case you don't know how to extract the script, you right click on it and you see extract button. But simply because it's a folder, you're not going to see extract button. So once you extract the script, you're going to look like this. And once you're done with that, next for you to do now is for you to just go to your file manager. So guys, we want to create our database now. So you're just going to click on the search on database, my database user. Then call this, I just want to call it con. I'm not good at naming, I'm good at giving name. So just hit it in a sec. So we've done that, so we'll call this con. Then I like using the same username for everything, so I'm going to make any mistake. So I'm going to just click on create and hold on a sec. So successfully created database. So click on allow all privileges. You click on make changes. Then you click here. So go to PHP admin. So we look for that data bill we just created now. I think we call it con. So this is it here. So we import the database. Just hold on a sec. So click on choose, download this database here. Click on it and click on import. So we hold on for a sec. So it's loading. So you're going to hold on a sec for it to load completely. So we imported a database successfully. So next for us to do now is for us to just we've copied this already, so there's no point. You can copy from the copy. Then we'll go to our file manager. Click on file manager. Then you locate the file where you uploaded. Then go to env file. Remember that the env file may not show initially. You have to go to settings and make it show. You understand? So let me just paste this here, paste this here, and paste this here. Right? So I'll put my website URL here. So let me go here. Yeah. Let me continue here. Let me just put my website URL. Then copy. Copy. Right, so we're going to save this now, right? So although we already saving this already, so we just go to our browser and search. Before I forget, in case yours is not showing the what's it called, the env file, so I'm going to show you how you're going to make it show the env file. So you can see, so this is it. So you can just click here. So you can see you can create an account if you want to. Just any random name. Any random email. So you can only select currency. So any currency you want to select, you can see. So just going to select dollar USD, right? So click next. Then I want to check in. So I'm just going to give it a password. So 134 is my pin. Then I click next. I put my password here. So I'll click here now, click on register. Now hold on a sec. So it's asking us to verify accounts update. So you can see we are here. It is actually currently asking us to verify account. You can see how it looks like, right? So we can actually accept all the terms and conditions here. Like you can accept, then to access to fill a form and the rest, blah 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 blah. You can see all this. You can get Apple ID, right? So we can just click here. What with our account first. So in order for us to do that, what we to do now is we already accepted this already. So next for us to now is for us to go to our admin. We copy this. So we can allow user register freely without verifying their account. Yeah. So so this is the admin dashboard. You can see. Let me just try this before process is going to work. Okay, it works. So that's the purpose it works, right? So I'm going to just close here, then um, go to app setting here. So we can actually upload our logo and the rest here. So here it is basically verification, right? So email verification, this is to enable email verification, right? Let me turn off KYC verification. On registration, like it can be on but not on registration, you understand? That's the reason why it was showing those process initially. So you can just save here. So click here. So if you go back here, hold on a sec. And you can see but in the dashboard, because we've allowed user to register successfully. So basically this is how it looks like. So we've successfully set up this website. You can see it has a lot of function, bro. It's really nice. You can see how it looks like. You can click here to actually request for card, apply for card if you want to. So we've successfully created that. Yeah, if you need this particular script, you can feel free to, or source code, you can feel free to DM me on WhatsApp. See my number on the screen. Thank you. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more videos. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more videos. You can see how we just finished setting up this. So you can see the domain name here, and you can see this is the file. This is the domain. This is the file. So we've successfully set up our website, our online banking website. Thank you for watching this video. Stay tuned and remain blessed.